Interesting. It's an 8-pack. Let's open it up and see what the heck we got. Oh, look at this. These are solar lights. Wow, check them out. Oh my gosh, look at that. So these are lights that you can basically, I guess, screw into anything. And they have a solar cell here, and I believe this must be on the side, the lights. So what we need to do is put about 3 or 4 of these outside. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these things. This is awesome. I can't wait to try it out. All right, so anyway, these are solar dock lights, and it tells all the information about them right here. You can read it if you want. And I think these are going to be cool. We're going to try these out on outside. Supposedly, if I turn this on, I put my hand over it, it lights up. See? Because that's like simulating darkness. And this one's blue light. Let's see what happens if I click it. Okay, so that's on. What do you guys think? That's all right. So anyway, I put a bunch of these down here outside my door. And this is the last one. I gotta turn it on. So what I'm gonna do is push really hard with my thumb here. Bam, done. And then I'm just gonna set it right down here. And then during the day, they're going to get charged, because here's your little solar cell right here on all of these. And then the light's gonna come out here, and it's gonna be like a blue light. Maybe I'll straighten them out a little bit so that they're a little uniform. And then we'll come back out and we'll check them out and see what they look like at night. How's that sound? All right, so here they are. Look at them. They're pretty cool, aren't they? I mean, they're really cool. I think they're awesome. I think I'm gonna like them. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on things like this.